Change contact information the safe way to avoid lockouts. First of all, log into the US Bank app and then go ahead and open your profile. Then go to contact information. Then add a new phone or email first. Make sure the new phone or email that you are adding is correct so your code will not get lost. Verify it with the code, then remove the old one only after reconfirmation. Do not remove the old number first, only remove it afterwards that you confirm it. Then review alert settings. Tips lost old number. Then you have to go ahead and call for support, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.